You are going to love the 2023 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, sports steering wheel. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency.